Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the still image aspect ratio on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on this menu button, and then we're going to go to the camera section and then subsection number 1, and then we're going to select still image aspect ratio. So click on that, click on the set button to select, and then you can just use these keys to navigate to whatever option that you want, and then click the set button again to apply it. And once you get out of the menu by clicking menu again, the options will be applied. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.